Namaste. I'm Sadhana Kiran from Bangalore. This is my first video today on YouTube. Hope you'll all enjoy it, and if there's any comments, anything you'd like to know, you can share it with me. I'll be doing first all rice items today because I'm going to pray Goddess Annapurneshwari, and I'll be starting my video. Thank you very much. These are all the ingredients what I'm going to use today. This is I'll be making only rice items, 3 rice items. I'll be showing variations. With just 1.5 cups of rice, you can make 3 things without disturbing their texture or their taste. So and when I'll be showing each preparation, I'll be showing those items. Thank you. First, I'll be preparing the lime rice, for which the ingredients I'll be using is, you may be wondering why I have kept so much. I'll be using all this in 3 preparations which I'll be going to prepare today. So the first is the lime rice. For that, I'm using coriander leaves, few green chilies, little coconut, little curry leaves, a little cashew, groundnuts, ghee little, hing, asafoetida, and oil and salt, the lime juice, of course the main ingredient, the rice, and for the tempering I'll be using mustard, chana dal, urad dal, which I've kept over here. So I'll be preparing the lime rice. For that, I'll be preparing this without onions today. So I'll be adding little bit of oil, say about 4 teaspoons of oil for about half cup of rice. I'll be adding a little ghee just to give a little flavor, say about half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Then I'll be adding once the oil is hot. And before that, I would like to tell you that I have cooked this rice with a little salt and ghee. For 1 cup of water, for 1 cup of rice, I've added 2 cups of water. And I have pressure cooked and I've kept it ready. So this is about 1.5 cups of rice. The oil and the ghee is a little hot. I'll be adding a little, I prefer to use my hands. I'll be adding a little mustard seeds. I use the big mustard seeds, big rye, because I like it. And I'll be using a little chana dal. I'll be adding a little groundnut. Depends on if you like the taste of groundnut, you can add more. And I'll be adding a little cashew, and I'll be frying it a little. See, you can see for yourself that almost everything is a little fried and roasted. Now I'll be adding a little haldi. I'll be adding a little hing, and I'll be adding a little green chilies. That depends on the taste, what you like. Then I'll be adding a little curry leaves. And now I'll be adding my rice. As you can see, after adding the rice, I'm nicely mixing it. And please, I suggest that everyone check for the salt if needed. Now I'll be adding a little bit of coriander leaves, a little bit of the lime juice. All this depends on how much taste you want. I'll also be adding a little bit of coconut. And now I'll also be giving a quick mix. So please check for the salt. If needed, you can add it now at this stage. So you see, the lime rice is so simple and very easy to make. Now let's prepare the coconut rice. So you see, the lemon rice was so simple. This is also as simple. I'm not using onions. I'm not using any of ginger, garlic or anything. And now for this, also add a little oil. I'll add a little ghee. If you like, you can add a little coconut oil if you like the taste, because it's coconut rice, but I'm not adding it today. And when the oil is a little hot, now you add the mustard seeds. I like to add a little jeera for the coconut rice because it gives a nice flavor, a little. And then I add my chana dal a little. I add my urad dal and chana dal. I add a little groundnuts. I add a little cashew and allow it to fry a little. The mustards will start spluttering, and the cashews, the chana dal, the urad dal, everything starts to be, it will start frying. As you can see, the tempering is now it's a little brown. Now I add my hing, a little bit more hing. I add a little bit of green chilies, but for this I would like to add a little bit of red chilies also, say about 1.5. And now I add my curry leaves. I add whole lot of coconut because this is the coconut rice. It is basically a little whitish in color because it's coconut rice. Now I'm adding the rice. So you see, I've added half cup of rice for the lime rice. Half cup I'm adding to the coconut rice. And as I always mention, please check for the salt. I've already added when the rice was getting cooked. Such a divine color. The coconut rice, for me, it looks like Goddess Saraswati, who is always in white. So this also looks like that. For me, I think cooking is the most interesting and a very nice medium where your personality comes face to face with the persons with whom you share. I just checked. I'll check for my salt. I can put a little more. So now I'm adding the salt. And your coconut rice is ready. Now for my third rice, for which I need a little bit, about 2 minutes of more work, because I have to make a powder. I'll be showing you the til rice. All this is my style of making, the way I make, and the flavors which I like. Hope you all will like too. So for that, I'll be adding a little chana dal, little bit of urad dal, and I will be frying them a little. And I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of til. All this to be roasted. So now you can see all the ingredients are nicely getting browned. I'm adding 2 red chilies. I'm adding the Guntur red chilies because I don't want a very red color to the til rice. I would like it to have a mix of the til rice. So the til, the urad dal and the chana dal nicely getting roasted. I prefer a little colorful til rice, so I'll be adding about 2 curry leaves also, just to change the taste a little. And I'll be adding a little coconut also, say a little, maybe a teaspoon of coconut, all to be nicely roasted. Now I'll be allowing it to cool for about 5-10 minutes. This is how the powder looks. The til and chana dal, urad dal powder which I just made. This is the color, and I've kept it slightly coarse so that the til seeds, when it comes into your mouth, when you taste it, it tastes very nice. So now we will start the til rice. Now I'll be making my til rice. For that, as I added oil and ghee, for this also I'll be adding a little ghee, little oil, and about a teaspoon of ghee, because ghee gives a nice flavor. And then I'll be adding my mustard seeds. I'll be adding a little chana dal. I'll be adding a little urad dal and chana dal both. For this I'm not adding jeera because til has a different flavor. I'll be adding a little groundnuts because many people like groundnuts, and I'll be adding lots of cashew, whole lot of cashew, and I'll be roasting it a little. As you have seen, my cashews and all the things, the ingredients which I've added are nicely been browned. I'll be adding 2 or 3 green chilies, and I'll be adding hing. This is no adding turmeric for this also. And now I'll be adding my rice. So this is the, in 1.5 cup, half cup I made lemon rice, half cup I made the coconut rice, and the other half cup I'm making the til rice. For this we'll be adding the powder which I have roasted, til, chili and little curry leaf powder from the top. Now adding it to the oil and nicely mix. Again, as always, I always taste the whatever I've prepared, so that when I share it with my family or guests or anyone, it should be near to perfect. I'm tasting a little bit of the rice. It needs a little bit of salt. If you feel the spice is less, at this stage you can add a little bit of chili powder too. I'm just adding salt because it's perfect. For this we are not adding any of the lime, coriander leaves or anything, because til itself has a nice flavor. If you want, you can add a little bit of coconut, but I prefer it this way. So I'm getting a nice aroma of the til, and it looks lovely color. And now your til rice is ready. So now you can see, in 1.5 cups of rice, I have made half cup of lime rice, half cup of coconut rice, half cup of til rice, with not much variation. And within the 20 minutes I've made all the three. I've kept a glass of buttermilk which goes very well with the rice, and I've kept some potato wafers. You can keep papad, or you can keep some fryams or anything, whatever you like, or you can also keep pickles also if you like. So this is a simple sumptuous afternoon. If you want a variety of food, rice, then you can make all the three and enjoy. So you have watched my video where I have shown simple sumptuous the rice preparations. My main intention is to show to everyone that cooking is not such a big rocket science or something. Anyone can cook, and you can cook with the minimum ingredients whatever is available at home, and it tastes very good too. So I hope you all like my video, and it is purely homemade, easily available ingredients. I have not added ginger, I have not added garlic, I have not added onions. With very simple thing. Yes, coconut is a little extra ingredient, but I think that's fine. Hope you all liked it. So please like and share my video, and if you have any personal queries, or you like to know more information on anything, please message me or text me. I'll be very willing to answer all of it.